Hi guys and welcome to Sunny's Kitchen. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple but tasty Indian style chicken curry. So for starters you need to dice up one large white or brown onion. Dice or mince up some fresh ginger and garlic, and this is to your choice, but chop up some fresh green chillies. And in a large saucepan, be sure to heat up some oil. Fry off the onions in the hot oil until they turn a lovely golden brown. Adding in your fresh garlic and ginger and also green chillies and stir them all together. As you can see, the onions along with the fresh ginger and garlic and chillies are cooking lovely all together, and it smells so delicious already. Keep cooking them off for another couple of minutes or so. Whilst the onions and other ingredients are cooking in the pan, you can now prepare your chicken by washing it and cutting it up into small pieces. I always find that small pieces are better because they fit in your mouth nicely and they're a lot easier to cook. So here's all the lovely chicken that's all been prepared. I've cut all the fat off it, I've washed it, I've cut it up into small pieces, and it's ready to go in the pan.
You're cooking chicken curry?
I am making chicken curry, your favourite.
My favourite.
Now I've just added the chicken into the pan and I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add the all-important spices. So we're just cooking the chicken that's now in with the onions and the chillies and the fresh ginger and garlic. We're just cooking that on not too high heat. Cook that for a couple of minutes. Lovely. What do you want, Harry?
I'm a my chicken curry.
Okay, I'm making it for you.
I'm chicken curry.
I'm making it for you, okay?
I'm chicken curry.
Okay, I'll make it for you. So now you can see that the chicken's been cooking for a couple of minutes. And now it's time to add the spices.
So we've got garam masala, Dhaniya powder, haldi, chilli powder and salt. The 5 magic spices.
So you can see that the spices are all in there. Now we're going to stir them all together. You can also add a little bit of black pepper if you like, just for that extra kick. So look at the colour now. So I'm just cooking all the spices together along with the chicken and everything else. So we're going to cook this for a good couple of minutes. Pop the lid on and then we're going to make the sauce. This smells great so far. It smells absolutely lovely. I'm excited. So the next thing you want to do is open up, I would say, a full tin of chopped tomatoes. So just before we add the tomatoes, I just want to show you how the chicken's coming along. You can see all the colours now and the fact that the chicken's nicely cooked. It's coming along nicely anyway. So I've just added the tinned tomatoes into the chicken, and we're just going to give it a good stir now. Give it a really good stir. Just make sure that you mix everything together. So you can see the colours now because the spices have been cooking with the tomato. I've actually just added some fresh coriander as well, just because I love the taste and it just adds a little bit extra. I'm now going to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and then check it. So if you like, depending on your personal taste, you can also add some potatoes into the curry, which I'm going to be doing now. And then I'll let them cook. Potatoes are now in with the chicken and cooking nicely in the sauce. So I can cover that now. Make sure it's on low gas. So the potatoes were cooking a little bit longer just because they needed it. But this is the final result, and this is the chicken curry. So you can serve this with lovely fresh basmati rice and tuck in and enjoy. Do feel free to sprinkle some fresh coriander on top. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, guys, and as always, please be sure to like and subscribe and comment below, and I will be seeing you soon for another recipe in Sunny's kitchen. Bye bye.